Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to set up an instant meeting in Google Meet on your computer. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on Google Apps, then move to Meet. And it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on New Meeting and then click on Start Instant Meeting. Allow it to load up. Then it will take you to the meeting interface, just like what you see right here. Now here you can simply use this icon right here to add people into the meeting, or better still, copy this particular link right here. When you copy this link, send it to the people that you want them to join you instantly. Once they join, then you can simply come down right here and see the number of people that have joined your meeting so far. Or better still, you can click on this Add People section right here and select the people and add them by their email address or their phone number. It's as simple as that. If you would like to mute your mic when you are talking in the meeting, simply click on this icon right here. You press Ctrl D. This will turn off your mic. But if you don't want your mic to be turned off, simply leave it on, just like what you see right here. And then if you want to appear in camera, simply click on here and set your camera info. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.